With $300,000, I skipped the basic luxury EVs and copped a 2009 G-Wagon instead. My friends think I'm completely nuts. They say buying this old piece of junk makes me a total sucker. They're not wrong. The interior is trashed, the exterior looks dated, and the engine leaks like crazy. That's all true, but nobody gets what a G-Wagon means to a guy. This is probably the closest I'll ever get to a luxury off-roader. So despite the mockery from family and friends, I'm doing a full rebuild. Let's see if this is a total money pit or the best investment I've ever made. Time to start the build. Windshield frame is rusted to hell. The pillars are packed with dirt. Stripping the engine bay. Removing the body trim. Scraping off old adhesive. Gutting the interior. Fitting the new fuel door. Cut, aligned, and welded in. Grinding down the welds, installing the new rounded doors, and the iconic high-mount brake light. Lifting the body shell. Stripping the rest of the interior. Labeling the wiring harness. Interior fully stripped. Dry ice, blasting the old sound deadener. Freezing makes the asphalt brittle, losing all its stickiness. Applying paint stripper. Sending the shell for factory e-coating. Grinding off surface rust first. Prepped shell goes into the e-coat tank. E-coating underway. It undergoes degreasing, rinsing, phosphating, coating, and baking. After the full process, the body gets lifetime rust protection. That's why factory paint lasts decades, while cheap repairs rust so fast. Final step, into the oven, fully curing the e-coat layer, forming a tough, anti-corrosion primer. Time for paint. Check out the results. Prepping to wash the chassis. Spraying foam cleaner. Dropping the engine and trans. Tearing them down. Separating engine and trans, stripping the engine. Disassembly complete. Ultrasonic cleaning. Trans is leaking oil too, so might as well tear it down. Giving it a quick wash. Cleaned engine and trans. New replacement parts arrived. Starting the engine rebuild. Torquing to spec. New piston rings going in. Testing piston movement. Torquing to spec. Engine is built. Rebuilding the transmission. Mating them back together. Chassis is rusted to hell, so might as well strip it. Pulling chassis lines. Dropping the differential. Removing the rear axle. Removing the front axle. Tearing down the front axle. Caked in heavy sludge. There's a rubber bushing inside. It's completely rotted out, leaking oil everywhere. This is the bushing. It's cracked and practically gone. Chassis completely stripped. Too much sludge and rust. Since it's all apart, let's do it right. Shot blasting the frame and done. Small parts get shot blasted too. Frame and chassis parts go for e-coating. I know you hate the process, so let's skip it. Right to the results. New parts are here. Time to reassemble, replacing the frame bushings. Installing the transfer case. Dropping engine and trans onto frame. Body meets chassis. Restoring the wiring harness, stripping the old wrap, cleaning and sorting wires, drying and rewrapping with fabric tape, reinstalling the harness. Interior is refreshed too. Reassembling the interior, laying down sound deadening. All set. Fitting the new carpet. Cavity waxing before door panels. New weather stripping going on. Installing the body panels. Final adjustments and tuning. Behold the final result.